Hello everybody, how do you do? Welcome back to another video, where in this video of my Roadhouse cocktails, I'm going to show you how to make with a style cocktail called LA Walk of Fame. Is very sweet and is really famous between the chicks when they go on a dance floor. So this cocktail, I'm gonna need my hurricane glass. There you go. Fill it up with ice. Now we're gonna need nicely apple juice. I don't know why I started this. So you're gonna put apple juice just like that. It's around 200 ml, something like that. Why? I'll show you right now. So first we're gonna need to put some gin. So we're gonna put 25 ml of gin, nice pour. There you go. Then we need strawberry liqueur 12.5 and Creme de Cassis. There you go. After that we're gonna need to put some strawberry and raspberry puree, around 6 or 10 ml each. Now we're gonna have to shake these things up. There we go. And strain it on top of it. And it gives you a nice effect. When you're working in a nightclub, it looks really cool. There you go. Now it comes the straw, and the garnish will be just a simple strawberry because the chicks love it. There we go, and that's our LA Walk of Fame. Alright, let me quickly explain to you what kind of moves I've been doing and why I was doing them. So, as soon the customer order your cocktail, then we coming to our LA Walk of Fame. This thumb roll we did it with our Raspberry-licious. So again, you can use that to pick it up and then bring it around the head. All right, and from here you just have to do a simple roll into your other hand, and it looks just like this. If you're not sure about that, don't do it on top of the eyes. So I will do it somewhere. There you go. But the move is basically to bring you into this position, the same like before, in the hand, so you're ready to ice it up your glass. All right. After that, we're gonna need our apple juice, around 150 or 200 ml. What I did, I used my store and pour, which is right here next to my ice well. So I did kind of just like a swipe through, the classic old school move, just like that, and exchange the grip. And then I pour all my ingredients. So let's pour the ingredients. This is a very nice lemony juice, okay? As you see, I put a little bit less ice, so I'm gonna have to top it up with the ice after that. So let's get into our another ingredients. So now we need our gin, 25 ml of gin. So I take my shaker, now I do a nice stall, now I do a swipe through, kind of this, like I did in few videos before. All right, and then after you do this, then you do the half circle from your palm for your hand, doesn't matter, just a half circle, and into the flat throw, kind of a Tommy D style. So let's have a look how it looks on a slow-mo. You might gonna get it from there. There you go. And now you just have to throw the shaker not from here but from top on the other side, just like that, and you just start pouring in your reverse grip. Nice. You bounce it, and now you're bringing it in this position. And now what I want to put this bottle back. So I'm putting this bottle back, but first I'm doing a throw from this hand into the same hand but behind the back for a double spin with the liquid in, and it looks like this. And I end up like that. Right now, you know, in the position that I can put the bottle back. And in here I can turn around in this position, the way how I'm going into the bottle, and I'm taking my strawberry liqueur, and I do nice 12.5, so simple move and simple cut, just like that. 1, 2, cut like that. Then I'm putting it in this way, and then shaker goes this position, exchange. Right now, I'm gonna show you in a practice bottle. First, I'm gonna do it this Creme de Cassis, flat throw, exchange the grip behind the head. From this position, you can go straight away into a pour, but I suggest you if the bottle is not full, so you can do some simple move, like a sword move. I don't know how that move called, but I will say it looks like a sword move, all right? Like the people do it with a sword or with the sticks. So just simple outside twist into the pour, okay? And then little flat throw, put it back. So let's see how it looks on a slow-mo. After that, we're gonna need to put another 2 ingredients, which will be our raspberry puree and our strawberry puree. I can do it on the same time, flat throw, and the same like I did with the raspberry licious. I'm gonna do it with one. I'm gonna do exchange the grabs, all right? From this grab, I'm gonna finish it just like that, and it's just a simple. So that was our LA Walk of Fame, one of the most famous cocktails from the gin-based cocktails in Roadhouse. Lots of girls, they drinking it, using it because it's really nice. It's refreshing, but trust me, you don't put any lime in there and it's still refreshing. So give it a try and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. My name is Sikky, and here is the link to subscribe. If you do like my videos, do that, and also ring that bell so you're gonna get notified for my new upcoming videos. Till next time, be awesome, keep practicing, keep drinking, and see you next Tuesday.